have learned the last question paper is April 2025 exam 1, and that we have studied today 4 marks question. So that one in the 4 questions given 4 marks. So on that one we have learned the pair of linear equations in 2 variable, and that one we have to learn for the 10 students. It is a very important question also and the easiest question also. I can explain this one. So this question number is 34. The question is like that one. Find the solution of a given pair of find the solutions of given pair of linear equation by graphical method. The equations are given like that: x plus 2y is equal to 8 and x plus y is equal to 5. So here, observe here clearly how we can make the first points. Minimum 2 points we have to given for the each equations. So that one is x plus 2y is equal to 8. So now we have to construct the table for this one. And here x, y. If you give the value of y for 4, we get value of x is 0. How? So if we give the value of 4, this one, 2 4s are 8, 8 comes to plus 8 comes to, we can transfer to RHS, it becomes minus 8, 8 minus 8 becomes 0, that's why x is equal to 0. Now here, y value giving 0, the remaining x is equal to 8 only. So that's why x is equal to 8. The 2 points we are getting from the first equation. Now we will take second equation. So the RHS we observe here, x plus y is equal to 5. If we give a value of x is 0, here x is 0, then y is equal to 5. If you give the value of x is 5, then plus 5 goes to transfer to RHS, it becomes minus 5, plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled, 0, then y is equal to 0. Here also we are getting the 2 points, 0, 5 and 5, 0. For these two equations, we have made some points. Those points we have write for the graph. We will get the value of x and y. So look here, observe the graph here. First equation, it is 0, 4. So here 0, 4 means y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the 0, 4. And the second point is 8, 0. On the x-axis, we have the positive x-axis, that is a 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. And 0 on the x-axis is y is 0, that's why 8, 0. So here on the y-axis, x is 0. So that's why these 2 points, I'm joining these 2 lines. So we get a one line, and this equation is called x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now we'll take second equation, x plus y is equal to 5. So that one we will take as here. How we will take? So 0, 5, 0, x here only, and y 5 can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 0, 5. Now also we consider as x is equal to 5. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the y-axis y is 0 on the x-axis. So that's why you are writing like that. Now you will take the two lines are intersect at point 2, 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, because in the x-axis line 1, 2. So this is a 2 line, and 3, it is a 1, 2, 3. So that's why y is equal to 3. Now theorem also is given. You observe clearly. This theorem also you have to writing for this one. It is this one also attended easily in the 4 marks. So because of The easy problems will be given by board and the 4 marks. Prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now take A, B, C is a triangle. So and here you can joining BE and CD, EM perpendicular to AC, and you write EN perpendicular to AB. So like that we have to write here. Now we will take this one for the solution, how you can solve in the easiest way. That is, we have to observe data given in triangle ABC, D parallel to BC, and to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Construction, draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Join BE and CD. Now proof. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ADE is nothing but half into base into height, and area of triangle BDE is equal to half into DB into EN. So EN get cancelled, half of get cancelled, remaining is AD by DB. Call equation number 1. As similar, we can write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. So here observe. So here observe. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. So first you have to write equation 1, and another equation, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. So we can take for this one second equation. This is half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. DM get cancelled, half of get cancelled, the remaining is AC by EC. Call equation number 2. Now BDE and actually area of triangle BDE and area of triangle DEC are on the same line DE between the same parallel BC and DE. So therefore area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DC. Call equation number 3. Call equation 3. From 1 to 3 we can as AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So if you are writing textbook answer proved, so they also get full marks. I will take 36th question. It is based on very importantly given. So that's why surface area and volume. We can read this one. A solid consists of a red circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter. Here given the 120 centimeter height and the radius 60 centimeters turning on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full water with the touches the bottom as shown in the figure, such that the touches the bottom of the shown in the figure. In the radius, the cylinder is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. Then find the volume of water left in the cylindrical in terms of pi. We can express as the volume in pi. So we have to observe here clearly for this one. Answer we have to explaining now. So here observe. So after observing, we will take this volume of cylinder we have to find first. So volume of cylinder is formula is pi r square h. So we can express in pi. That's why write pi like that only. You not to give the value pi. So r given radius, that is 60 square, and height also given 180 centimeter square. Because 60 plus 120 we get 180. So that's why we write the height total 180. So here only observe. It is 60 and it is 120. 120 plus 60 how much? 180. So that's why you are writing 180. Now we will take here. So pi into 60 into 60, 3600 into 180. Once again multiplying this 180 into 3600, we get 6000. 36 18 the 648. Remaining 3 zeros are multiple and we get this as pi. And here and here now we will take this one, volume of the solid. Volume of the solid. Volume of the solid. Volume of cone plus, here we write volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So we are removing actually volume of cone and volume of hemisphere. It is a cone and it is a hemisphere. They are in the same line. That's why adding for both of them. So that's why writing here. And volume of cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here 1 by 3 pi r square common taking, h plus 2 are only remaining. So that's why substituting the values 1 by 3 pi into 60 square of 120 plus 2 of 60. 1 by 3 pi into 60 square into 240. So dividing for this one 80 we get, because 3 8 is a 24, multiple 0 you get 80. Once again we multiplying 60 into 60, 3600 into 80 into pi, we get 2,88,000 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of water left in the cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. So that's why my can take it as 6,48,000 pi minus 2,88,000 pi. Removing means we minus. So that's why what we get, 3,60,000 pi centimeter we can get. Now we'll take another option question. Here the given. A solid is made up of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression having the same radius as that the cylinder that at the top of the shown in the figure. The volume of hemispherical depression is 18,000 pi centimeter cube. If the height of the cylinder is 145 centimeter, then find the total surface area of solid. So it is a pi, it is a hemisphere, it is a cylinder, its height is 145. So we have to find actually radius. Find the total surface area of solid also. Here, now for that one, we'll take the answer. So we'll taking volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here 18,000 pi is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. R cube is equal to, so we have cross multiplied, we get 18,000 into 3 by 2. So we get 9,000 into 27,000. If a cubic it mailing means cube root of 27,000 is 30 centimeter. So that's why R is equal to we get 30 centimeter. Now total surface of solid is equal to CS of hemisphere plus CS of cylinder plus area of circular base. Now 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus pi r square. So here taking the common pi r. So here pi r common taking is 2r plus 2h plus r. Now it is we get 22 by 7 into 30. Here 2 into 30 plus 2 into 145 plus it is height and radius is 30. If we simplifying the in bracket, we get 22 by 7 into 30 is equal of 60 plus 290, 45 to 290 plus 30. We get total 380. Divide actually 22 into 30 into 380. We get here 2,50,800 by 7 centimeter square. Approximately it become 35,828.5 centimeter square. This is the total surface area. Now we will study Another one, the 4 marks given in the AP. So it is also very difficult problems given like that. So if you're practicing means who are hard workers, hard doing and are capable to understand this problem, so those only be answered. So now we will take a 37th problem on the 4 marks. An arithmetic progression consists of 16 terms. The sum of all of its terms is 768. The last term of our progression is 93. Then find the arithmetic progression. Also show that the sum of all the three terms of this progression is equal to 3 times of the sum of first 16 odd natural numbers using formula. So here taking the given number of terms given 16 means n, we have to find S16 is equal to 768. He already given total sum of all 16 terms, sum an, and last time we given 93. So formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus an, first term and last term. So therefore 768 is equal to 16 by 2 of a plus 93. We have to find here first term. A plus 93 only here. Dividing for 16 we get 8. So it cross multiply we get 768 by 8. So dividing we get actually 96. So that one is here. Observe clearly. A plus 93 is equal to 96. So 93 can be transferred to RHS. We get 96 minus 93, we get 3. So the first term is 3. Now we have to find a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 of d. 93 is equal to 3 plus of 16 minus d. 93 is equal to 3 plus 16 of d. So 15d is equal to 90. Actually d is equal to 90 by 15. So dividing 15 we get 6. AP is 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. So are the AP terms. Now we will find S16. So up to how much? 16 terms. So that's why we are taking the 3 common. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to 16 terms. So here we can take it as 3 into 16 square. That means Sn is equal to n square. Sum of first 10 odd natural numbers. 3 into 256 we get 786 is equal to 786. Or we also taking the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus n into d formula. We can get the same formula. Okay, we are also finding 786. Then also get the marks. So like that we have completed the 4 marks question. Now we will be stopping here because